What's up, guys? It's 5/3/2024. I forgot what month. It's May 3rd, 2024. Okay, so yeah, I had a pretty good day. Um, Pretty big gap up, wedge bottom into the EMA. That was pretty cool to see. I didn't trade. I was at work today, but I just thought that was really cool. Like so many tails at the bottom of the bear bars, and then it bounces with 22. That was pretty cool. I was watching it, but I didn't trade it. Yesterday we had kind of like a bullish price action, higher prices. It was hard. We ranged, breakout, and then channeled. Today we had a huge gap up and a pullback. Is this? Let's just do it from there. Not exactly 50%, but it came and tested yesterday's high. Yeah. Oh no, it tested. Oh, my fibs are a little bit off. It also, well, that's the FOMC spike. So it tested the FOMC spike. But this is yesterday's levels. We broke out of yesterday's high. Okay, that changes the day. Yeah, look. So we break out of yesterday's high. Bar one, really bad continuation for the bulls. Bar two, bad for the bears. I think the market's going to go a little bit more sideways. Bar three. So right now there's more buyers under bar one and more sellers at the high of bar one. They sold, and then bar two reversed higher, so buyers and sellers. Bar three, the market goes up. The market is more sideways right now. Bar four, bulls are buying the high. Bar three. Let's see if this is a 1-to-1. Yeah, I looked at that. So 1-to-1 was kind of that slot. 1-to-1 was met with bar seven, I think. So bar three, bar four is good. Follow through for the bulls. Big gap up. There's momentum. Bar six is the first pullback. Bar seven, it raced up to the measured move from yesterday's range, here to here, and then reversed lower, taking out all the prior bars. Although it's a really big bar, it is still sideways like that. I think it's okay. I don't know if you guys want to go short after all that bullish price action and a big gap up. 1-to-1 wasn't even really met, and then and that's a conservative PT. So maybe it might be better to wait a little bit. Bar eight, that follow through for the bears. Bar nine is a spike lower, and that starts a channel. Bar 12 tags the EMA and bounces, so there are bulls waiting at the EMA. Sorry, that's just above the 50% level. Bar 13, more sellers sitting right here right now. They try and sell lower, but bulls keep this gap open. The EMA gap to the bar. Bar 13 tags the EMA and reverses higher. That kind of looks like a double bottom. Here's a form of a wedge too, as well. Bar 15 is a breakout. However, bar 16 is pretty bad for the bulls. It gives the market kind of like a double top appearance, a little bit of a higher high. Hold on, I want to see something. So pull. Because I'm thinking maybe could this be called an expanding triangle too? This is the pull. They push down, push up, push up, push. Maybe that's an expanding triangle, but there is a double bottom here on the EMA. That's bullish price action. We're trading above the higher time frame EMA. A double bottom on, so I think this is a pretty good buy. Gap up, good momentum. Three pushes down. One, two. What the heck am I doing? 1, 2, 3, and 4. I still butchered it. There's a wedge here. Push 1, push 2, push 3. Wedge bottom into the EMA. Bar 19. Bears trying to get closes below the EMA. This is the first touch. So bulls are going to be eager to buy that. Bar 21 is bad follow through for bar 19. Bar 22, breakout bar for the bulls across the EMA. Bar 23 is a one tick body. It's a bull body, so that's okay. It's not the best, a close above 22 I think would be better. Is this 22, 21, 23, 22, 23, yeah, 24 is a good body, but again, it's not making they're making new highs with tails, but not necessarily closing above the previous high. The lows are trending, so that's good for the bulls. Bar 25 is a nice bar. However, it could be a test of this, and it is bigger after leg one pullback, leg two move. Bar 26 is again, it's a pullback. It's a one tick body for the bulls. That's good. 27 looks like a reversal, or the bear's trying to put in a reversal double top. Here can also be a form of a bear flag. 28, not really good follow through. It's testing the 50% level of 25. 29 breakout. This could be a type of a flag here. I don't even know what the heck, a flag like that. Breakout with 30, 29. It goes sideways again. So the market's going, after every new high, the market's going sideways. So they're bulls are taking profits and bears are shorting new highs. Yeah, so 30 looks like a pullback. The market goes sideways again really quickly. It's not the strongest bull trend. The market is, I think that bar was kind of damaging to the bull case, because if we look at everything, that just looks more prominent. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna have to pause this and come right back. Okay, well, sorry about that. So yeah, it's a pretty weak trend. Market's going a little bit more sideways. We have a breakout, pullback, and it starts to channel. That's the market cycle, and this can also be seen as a breakout with that continuation. Bar 33, new high, pullback. Bar 34, bad for the bears. Bar 35, good for the bulls. It's starting to be pullback, breakout, pullback, high one, pullback. So this is a high one, and then 35 could be a high two. It comes at a worse price, more information. I think that's okay. Has a small micro channel here. 39, we have a bullish breakout of the micro channel. However, 38 is a bullish breakout. However, 39 is bad follow through. Wedge top. Bears get a pullback into the EMA. The market's been trending higher, and we had this gap up. Bulls buy the EMA. That's the average price of these last 20 bars. About maybe 15. 42, not good for the bears. Bulls are keeping the gap open here. And they get another channel higher. Not necessarily higher. They get a 4-bar channel and it starts to pull back. It goes more sideways around 39. It's high again. Bar 51 looks like a double top. However, I think that was good enough to trap bears. You can see 52 traded one tick lower and reverse higher. So there's trap bears, I believe. They get short here. I'm still learning this stuff. I'm still trying to learn how to identify sellers. I think there's more sellers at highs and more buyers at low. It's at the end of the day, it's a bull trend, but it's a range day. You got a big down, big up. So if it's range day, there's buyers and sellers. That's why we're going more. The higher we go, the more sideways we go. So yeah, and then we just go sideways. TTR. It's Friday. I think it's a good day to call it early. You had all this time to make money while the market was going higher. Buy here, buy more at here, and get at your original price. That's a few points. That's good enough for the day. Higher time frames look pretty fun. I don't know what to make of this. The reason I say that is because we closed above that bear thing right here, that bear bar. That's kind of bullish, and we've been in a channel. This is the first time bears have put multiple bars below. So steep trend line break, we should test the highs. I just checked the mic was muted. So yeah, we should retest highs. Or is this going to be some sort of wedge top sell-off? So it'll be interesting to see what happens this week. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a safe weekend. About to go do some stuff. Keep studying. Use your stop loss. Leave some comments what type of trades you guys are taking. Have a good one, guys. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen. At the end of the day, we just trade price action. Doesn't really matter what happens because we're going to trade it how it is. At least that's the goal. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.